What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my videos. So a while ago, I went into my private Facebook group called Entrepreneur Affiliates. Roughly about 3 to 4 months ago, I went in and I made a private post. And in this private post, I said that if I had reached a certain amount of likes, I would put a video out on how to make sales with Clickfunnels using your own products, building products, and using Clickfunnels to monetize that. So if you guys don't know, Clickfunnels can actually integrate with PayPal and integrate also with Stripe. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I made 20,000 plus using Clickfunnels with one specific funnel. Now keep this in mind, these strategies that I'm going to share with you, and I'm actually going to show you this, that you can actually go out and implement it for yourself and test it. So a lot of people don't talk about this, but with Clickfunnels, a lot of the people who crush it have a lot of upsells and downsells within their funnel. So I'm actually going to show you the exact funnel of mine that I actually used, show you some background stats that if you have a passion for building your own products, selling ebooks, selling physical products, you can do any of that with Clickfunnels. But more importantly, I'm going to show you how I made the 20K with using this strategy with Clickfunnels. So let's actually dive right into my computer. So for starters, I'm very excited to actually showcase this. So I know a lot of people have been waiting for me to dive in and talk about, what I did for this funnel. As you can see, $3.80 earnings per click. I want to talk about the good and the bad of this actual funnel that I actually built. So first off, let me explain why I quit actually promoting this funnel. So what I noticed with this funnel is that what I could make $50 profit in, I could go to a CPA network and make 3 times that profit. I could make $150 profit. Now, don't get me wrong. The beauty of actually using Clickfunnels and building up multiple upsells and downsells is that you can actually have pixel placement through your entire funnel. That's amazing if you want to retarget based off of specific events. So for example, maybe someone lands on the add to cart page but doesn't purchase. You can set up a retargeting campaign based off of that. So as you can see right now, this funnel is a little bit out of order. But more importantly, I want you to take a close look to the side. So some of this is going to be blurred out just because this is a private funnel of mine. But I just want you to understand the concept of having a funnel, but then having upsells and downsells. Clickfunnels, it makes it seamlessly. So the reason this works is because you bring someone in on the front end, right? Now, what you want to do is bring someone in between, $15 to $100. You want to bring someone in on the front end. Then what you want to do is you want to do upsells and downsells. Now, with Clickfunnels, they're one-click upsells. So what you actually do is you want to integrate your payment gateway. So if you're using Stripe, for example, that actually works the best for doing one-click upsells. You can integrate Stripe in with Clickfunnels, and what happens is that your funnel says, hey, get this product for 1 click, and then all they have to do is click yes, and then all of a sudden their credit card will be charged, or their debit card will be charged $10 to $50 for that 1-click upsell. Now this can work amazing for different niches. For example, this funnel right here was aimed for books. So what I did is I hired some people to write books and I created some videos for it. And that's what I did with this exact funnel. So now I hope you guys are getting a ton of value from this. I'm going to dive into, how I found this, how I came up with this idea, and a lot of it was testing. So I want you to take a close look right here. Now this is something that a lot of people don't even think about when you're building funnels just like this. So right here, this was the order form. Now, as you can see, these ones are expired order forms that I'm not using anymore. But right here, $1.88 all the way up to $3.64. So this, to me, this was very exciting to do because when I do CPA marketing, I can't just demand that every advertiser does the order form exactly how I like it. When I actually tested this order form, I had tested countdown timers, I had tested scarcity, and what I noticed each variation got me different ROI in terms of the customers. So this is one thing that you want to actually do, that if you're building your own funnels with upsells and downsells, is test the order form, because it will convert differently. So the next thing that you want to do is you do not want to reinvent the wheel. Now, this is the biggest issue that I found, that, there's other people who do this same strategy and they're okay with making $50 instead of making, $150 for me, because, I could make 3 times the ROI if I went to an affiliate network. One, because you don't deal with refunds, you don't deal with the customers. Now, that's a great benefit. Now, what I want you to take a look at is, I made a little notepad so we can all follow along, but I'm going to show you some real examples now. So you have to have a strong backend. Now, one reason I also quit actually promoting it is because I did not have a strong backend. Yes, I did have some good upsells and some good downsells, but the key to actually make this work is actually having a strong backend. So you want to have a product that you sell for high ticket. So that product can be anywhere from, $500, $1,000, $5,000, $10,000. Different people will call different high ticket. Some people don't think a product's not high ticket unless it's 10,000 plus. So you define what you believe is your high ticket product in your value ladder. So if you haven't read Russell Brunson's Expert Secrets or .com Secrets, go read those 2 books. Those books will help you develop your back-end product and how to build a value ladder for your customers. So just so we can all be on the same page, let me just draw this out real quick. So essentially, your funnel will look exactly like this. You want to bring your customers in. Let's just say you're bringing your customers in for $30 here. By the time they make it to this back-end product, you want that customer to be, let's just say, worth $5,000. You may have a coaching, a workout program, or something on the back end where someone can maybe work closer to you one-on-one. So this is what you want to do if you're building out a multiple step funnel. Now, next thing is your payment gateway. Now, with this funnel, primarily, I was actually using Stripe. I did not accept PayPal. Now, what I noticed is that when I accept PayPal, my ROI did increase now. When I did accept Stripe, some people, PayPal's just second nature. They know PayPal, they trust PayPal, they have money sitting in PayPal, so they may purchase. You're going to see a higher ROI when you're also including PayPal, a part of your payment gateway system. Now, keep in mind, if you're scaling, there's companies that scale 6-7 figures, owning their own funnels, owning their own back-end products. So you may have to look elsewhere for a payment gateway. So make sure to do your research in terms of that. Now, lastly is your niche. Now, like I said in the beginning, I use videos and books as my value ladder, as selling this product. Now, you have to determine for your niche that, is it evergreen? Ask yourself these questions. What is my backend going to be? What am I going to upsell and what am I going to downsell? And you're also going to have to test that. And as I was doing my upsells and downsells, I was playing around with the prices to see what actually converted the best. Now, you want to do your niche research. So I suggest, head over to ClickBank. So if you are going to be in personal development, or if you're going to be about, self-help, software, email, it doesn't matter. Weight loss, for example. Find a competitor and funnel hack them. See what their value ladder is. See what their back end is. So what I actually did is I bought a couple different products. I took screenshots of all their upsells and downsells, and I asked myself, how could I take something similar to that and make it work for the niche that I'm actually promoting in? And that's exactly what I did to actually, come up with my ideas. I didn't want to reinvent the wheel from scratch. Keep in mind, these people are spending, 6, 7, 8 figures on their traffic, and they have thousands of affiliates. So they can do split tests a lot faster than, someone by themselves can actually do. So think about that. For example, if you're going to have a fishing funnel, if you're going to have a, 30-day book challenge funnel, think about what your niche is and think about that. Now, next you want to go into the actual funnel. So find your niche and just go to the affiliate page. Now, for example, right here, this is actually the perfect example because this is actually showing, this is bottle 1, bottle 2, bottle, 6 bottles. As you can see, they're explaining what their affiliate structure is for this. Now, you can actually do the same thing for your funnel. Now, I did create a small affiliate referral program. I ran it for a little bit and then I put it on pause because I was getting a lot of messages and questions and didn't have enough systems in place to automate it. Now, keep in mind, I was making the same funnel, the same strategy. I would make 3 times the ROI just going to an affiliate network, not dealing with customers, not dealing with the back end. And now what you want to do next is you have to decide on what your traffic source is going to be. Now you can start off with Facebook ads, Google ads, Twitter ads. You want to choose a traffic source, find some creatives, find some other people in the same niche, see what their funnels are like, see what their marketing angles are like. Now, I hope you guys are getting a ton of value from this, and also what I want you to do is share below this video. Share what type of funnels you have built and what type of products that you have created or you have drop shipped. Now, keep in mind, this same strategy that I'm showing you can work for multiple niches. So let's just say you go to AliExpress and you're doing Shopify, you're doing drop shipping. There's thousands and hundreds of thousands of people who are out here drop shipping products with Clickfunnels and just connecting their stores with Clickfunnels and creating those upsells and downsells. Now, one final recap: if you decide to build a funnel, what I want you to do is make sure you at least have 2 upsells, and make sure with each of those upsells that you have downsells with those Now, anyway, share below what type of funnels, what type of products you guys have built. But as always, thank you for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I appreciate everybody's time. And come join my private Facebook group, Entrepreneur Affiliates, and have a great day.
I was just starving in them apartments. This shit feel like yesterday. I was just going to sleep on some carpet. This shit feel like yesterday. I ran my bands up and know I'm not sorry, so I ain't feeling like yesterday.